Okay, I need caffeine. Hi, I'm Erica. I'm odd, and right now I'm uncaffeinated, but we're gonna change that. I think anybody that has a TikTok knows what this big whipped coffee trend is. I've never made this myself. I actually haven't had coffee in about 2 weeks. So because I'm needing a little bit more caffeine for the cleaning and everything that I'm going to do today and focus on today, I thought that I would try to make the whipped coffee from TikTok. I'm excited to be caffeinated. Here's what you'll need. So you'll need instant coffee. I got Nescraft Taster's Choice. At first I thought it said Toaster's Choice and I was like, what does that mean? It's like burnt coffee? It means nothing. I just can't read because I'm dyslexic. And it says to use sugar. I am using brown sugar. I have regular sugar, I just prefer brown sugar. And then you'll need water. So the recipe is pretty easy and basic and goes as follows. So let's go ahead. I can't even open the packet. I can't even open the packet, and I really think that I'm gonna be able to do this. So you just add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Is that about right? Yeah. This is a literal tablespoon that I am using. So we're gonna go with it. These are pretty big granules. I'm not a huge instant coffee person, but these granules look pretty big. Is that normal for instant coffee? So yeah, we're gonna say that's 2 tablespoons. Like everything else in my life, we're just guessing at this point. And you're gonna take 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. All right, so now, let's break it up a little bit. Now we have our coffee and brown sugar mixture. How far can I tilt this? That's gonna end bad. And then of course the last ingredient for this quick little recipe is water. It's been debated on TikTok whether you use cold or hot water. I want it to be cold coffee. I don't want warm coffee today, so we're using cold water. It smells wonderful. It really does, it just smells like coffee. So if you enjoy the smell of coffee, you're gonna enjoy this process. Looks like mud, you can't even see it, but it looks like mud. Then I'm gonna switch from a spoon to a whisk that's way too big for this bowl and way too big for this process, but we're gonna go with it. And much like in my brownie video, we're gonna whisk this as much, I think, as we can before we just switch over to the electric mixer. I don't have a hand milk frother. I don't have a hand milk frother. Oh my God, that took way too long to say. I used to have a mini whisk. I have no clue where it's gone. Yep, it's time. It's not too bad. Okay. So, it was a good call with the mixer because that would have taken forever. So now we have sort of this nice fluffy consistency. As you can see, the coffee's gotten lighter in color. Looks more of like a caramel now. I wanted to make sure it did this and it stuck because I've noticed that some people maybe are just hand whipping it, which is totally cool, or they have like a more liquidy consistency. That's not what I wanted. I wanted it like really fluffy. What does it taste like? It just tastes like, I know what it tastes like. It tastes like coffee with sugar. Yeah, but it's still coffee and sugar. So now I'm gonna take my little cup and I'm taking just unsweetened vanilla almond milk from Aldi. I like the Aldi brand there. They usually add about that much because it's usually a 50-50 situation. And then I'm gonna take my almond milk creamer from the same brand. It smells like vanilla cookies. It's that good. So I just add a little bit there. It is time to add the whipped coffee. Oh, so it just sits right on top. I was wondering if that's what the ice did. It's not, it just makes it colder. Ooh, it looks like caramel. And I think that's why it looks so good. Other people's are like so pretty, and then there's mine. So I think this is good as we're gonna get it. Mine's not necessarily as pretty as the other ones, probably because those people have made it before, but there we go, now that's all mixed in. That dog. So my neighbor's dog barks every time I'm making a video, so I love that little dog and I love my neighbor, but I'm making a video. I'm like nervous, I don't know. Hold up. I mean, it tastes like normal coffee. If anything, it's a lot of milk. Overall, it just tastes like a normal like frappe. It tastes, you know, like it took a lot of time. It's actually really good. I could get down with this. It's getting better the more I drink it. So I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Overall, I would highly recommend making it, especially if you're bored. It's a good way to switch up like your normal morning routine. I know there's the keto version of this that I want to try, so maybe I'll try that next time. But yeah, that's how you make the TikTok coffee. It works. It's not a scam. It's pretty simple. Overall, I think it took maybe, the mixing with the mixer overall took 5 minutes. So it's not a huge process. It's still worth it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go do my cleanup for the day, make a few phone calls, and then honestly, I'll probably film another video because I'm feeling my look today. I don't know. I'm enjoying it. It was super simple. It was called I Don't Want to Straighten the Top Half of My Hair. But I hope you enjoyed this, and if you made this, I hope you enjoyed your coffee and your morning. Please be sure to like and subscribe and follow all of my social medias. Same way it's spelled down here, Erica is odd. And I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy!